What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today we're going to be doing some more installs on my 2019 Roadglide special. Let's get to it. Alright, kinfolk, so I appreciate y'all coming back to the channel, man, and checking this install out. Today what we're installing is we're installing these front axle nut covers, the black ones of course, which I got from Harley. The part number is going to be there if you need it. 30 bucks, ridiculous, but I ended up having some rider rewards points, which I got a couple items that we're going to be installing, but today we're going to be installing this that I got that day, so I didn't have to actually pay for this. I guess I did when I bought the bike, so that's how I got the reward points. But yeah, so we're going to install that today, along with Kuryakyn internal saddlebag organizer, right? Part number here from Kuryakyn. And these are cool, man, because and they're easy to install. You just velcro them in, and they have different pockets and different little places you can put little tools and stuff like that go inside your saddlebag, so it makes it a little more organized for you. So let's go ahead and get started with it, man. I think what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and install the organizer kit first. So what we're going to do is I've already emptied my saddlebags. I believe what I'm going to do is just install them here. And so we're just going to take some alcohol, man, clean some spots off, and then we'll go ahead and velcro them in. So I actually got this organizer kit from my buddies at Loudmouth Cycles, man. So if you haven't checked out Loudmouth Cycles, make sure you go check them out on their Instagram and Facebook page. Really cool guys, man, great people. I actually did a tour with them, or went and visited their shop and did an interview with Mr. Steven as well, as the owner. And so click up above, check that video out if you want to. And yeah, they're just good people there, so they helped me with that. And they're also the ones that helped my wife and my brother and my son hook me up with that new Simpson, my new Aurora Simpson helmet. So yeah, so check them out. Let them know Knuckles sent you if you go check them out on Instagram and Facebook. But yeah, let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit. So we're just gonna wipe this down. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the whole area because I'm not sure exactly where we're gonna put it. Do the other side. All right. It's fucking windy out here, man. Yeah. Alright, so I think all we're gonna do, let me see. So this here, like I said, has got little places for screwdrivers, wrenches, whatever, man. It's got a little pocket here, put different things in. Another pocket there. This one here has got a pocket. Another pocket for your keychain. You know your boys already got a bottle opener on there. And a little zipper pocket. Put your keys, stuff like that in there as well. So really cool. So what we'll do is, oh, and the kit already comes with alcohol swabs, but I didn't have to use that. I had some. We'll go ahead and put these on here. Stick them to there. That's how my day's been going, y'all. Hopefully y'all can hear me because it is pretty windy out here as well. So I think I'm gonna put this one on this side and this one on this side. Okay.
And it's complete.
Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoy. So I guess, man, it can only go so far, so deep, yeah, because of the little hump down there. So I guess we're just going in like that. Let's do it. 3M tape on the back. Really good stuff. Does that look straight?
Sure.
Fuck. Oh. Shazam! we go. Pretty cool. Yeah, I guess that'll work. All right, kinfolk. So I got what I got in there, man. I got my book here, my little easy tag here, and of course, like I said, if you come to a stop or if you need to hang some keys or something, you can put that in there. I got my chaps along with my other bags. Got my Nelson rig rain suit in there, and then on the other side, I ended up putting this is my Nelson rig half bike cover. I got my little towel, my Simpson helmet bag, and then I put the summer gloves in here, and then I put my little anti-fog in this little elastic strap here, and then in here I've got the alcohol wipes. I've got some little plastic nuts and bolts, and then my beard comb, because you know you boys got to look fresh. And then strap that down, and then I'll add some little tools to put in here, man, little wrenches or Allen heads or whatever. I mean Allen wrenches and stuff like that, put in there eventually. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Now let's go ahead and jump onto the axle nut covers. All right, kinfolk, so this is the axle nut cover. Very, very nice, very solid, thick. So they send you a set screw. This is a 3/32 Allen wrench. They send you one with the kit, but I got this T-handle. And then the set screws already have Loctite on them. So they said there's a short set screw and a longer set screw. So the short one goes on the axle side, and then the longer one goes on the nut side. So this is the short one. So we're gonna put this over here like this. This goes over like that. Put the set screw at the bottom. Make sure it's not hitting one of these holes here. And we're going to tighten her down. Okay, I ended up having to change the Allen heads, the Allen wrench, because the 3/32 fitted but not tight enough. And then the next size I had up was too big, so we're using the one that came with it. So you just take her, tighten it down good. There you go. That's that side. Now for the nut side. And then again, you want to make sure that it's going to hit this flat side here. Good and tight. There you go. Two nice, really cool additions you can do to your bike. Not only at Roadglide, but of course they make these for all models. And you can stick that in any saddlebag you have as well. So the Kuryakyn bag organizers. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, if you want to see more stuff that I'm going to do to the Roadglide. And yeah, this adds a nice, sleek look to your front end. Really liking how it covers up those the axle and the nut itself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, because we got another video coming out. As you can tell over there, I got a lot more stuff to install. So hope you check that one out as well. Until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.